Hello students, after completion of the Shun Hook with straight strokes from the chapter number 13 Shun Hook, आज हम करेंगे exercises number 101 and 102. Let's start with exercise number 101 on the speed of 80 words per minute. Be ready. Start. Dear Mr. Newman, we are having a celebration on 14th October to mark the anniversary of the founding of our college. On this occasion, there will be a dinner, and in addition, there will be several addresses by people whose reputation is nationwide. One of these talks is to be delivered by John Goshen, whose reputation as an author is second to none. A presentation to Mr. Goshen has been arranged. In expectation that you will wish to attend, I am enclosing a ticket. Additional tickets may be obtained from the secretary upon application. We are restricting invitations to past and present students. Yours respectfully. Next is exercise number 102 on the speed of 80 words per minute. Be ready. Start. Dear Sir, to secure a wider distribution of our book Educational Occupations for Children, we are making for this month only quite a reduction in the price. As a special attraction, we have issued a presentation edition in leather which sells for only 1 guinea. Bound in imitation leather, the book costs 17 by 6. The book would be a very valuable addition to your library. It gives full directions for many educational occupations for children of all ages, and through the use of excellent illustrations, all the directions are very simple. If you like, we can dispatch the book to you for your approval, and if you decide to return it, you may do so without any obligation. Very truly yours. So these are the two exercises from chapter number 13 Shun Hook. आप लोगों को कोई भी परेशानी हो, कुछ भी पूछना हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं. Okay students, thanks for watching this video. Share, drop a like, subscribe the channel.